Welcome back to Barl's Boutique, everybody. How y'all doing? Hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. Looking forward to Christmas. Anyway, today I'm displaying my Flyboy from the 1978 classic Dawn of the Dead. This was made by Ryzar Minatures on Cults 3D. You can go on that website. This is from their Normal Room in Hell line. It was a 2023 September Patreon release for them. And they also did Karen from Night of the Living Dead. They did the airport plaid shirt zombie from Dawn, and they also did the cemetery zombie from Night of the Living Dead. Now these are for miniature gameplay. I'm pretty sure that's what they make them for. But I decided to boost him up a little bit. I realized I have the Hare Christian zombie and the airport zombie in different figures, but I don't have a Flyboy for some reason. I need to remedy that, actually get a NECA one. But he was a lot of fun to do. This doesn't have a whole lot of detail to it, which I also love. There's something about, especially like mass-produced stuff. Like think of the classic monsters, the Universal monsters, way back. I don't know if it was the 70s, 60s, 70s. They had bubble bath and just other things where the paint job was very basic. I'm not trying to stick up for my paint job. I'm just saying it's just very basic. There's something about that's kind of cool and appealing, you know. But that's kind of what I was going for that, and I just kept adding details. But oh well, he was a lot of fun to put together. In the movie, it's more of a gray color for the skin tone than the blue, but this is kind of a cartoonish thing, so that's how I painted it up. Dave MG did an amazing job playing Flyboy in Dawn of the Dead, especially his take on being dead was just amazing. It's so weird and over the top, but it's amazing and not over the top, if that makes sense. He recently passed away. I think he passed away last year, 2023, so that's a huge bummer. I never got to meet him. I've only met Ken out of the original cast. I've only met Ken and Tom Savini, but I hope to meet Galen Ross at some point. And I wish I could have met Dave and the guy that played, oh God, what's his name? It's sticking in my brain. Oh, it's sticking in my brain, right? Roger. I can't think of the actor's name. I'll put it right here. I'm so sorry. I need to meet him too. It was cool seeing him in the Dawn remake too, his little cameo. But anyway, I'll give you a closer look at this so you can check it out. Please go to Ryzar Minatures on cults3d.com. If you're interested in that, just look up Ryzar. And he's got a bunch of other stuff, or they've got a bunch of other stuff. I don't know if it's a he or she. They got a bunch of other stuff to choose from, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Like my other stuff if you do. If you like it. Like my other stuff if you can. If not, I get it. Thanks.